Hello everyone, welcome to today's short lecture. We have just a few questions and answers with Lantos. Cindy asked a few questions of him and here are his answers. This is so that we have more information about how to use the rings. The first question was, can someone wear more than one ring at the same time, such as wearing all three rings at the same time? Lantos responded, the golden ring of Tot may be worn with the elemental ring or with the rose ring. To wear the elemental ring together with the rose ring, it will be good to have the golden ring present. All three may be worn together. Cindy verified, so just not the elemental and the rose ring together alone. And he said yes. So what that means is if you want to wear more than one ring, you can. But you need to have the golden ring of Tot present in order to do that. You can wear all three of them, or you can wear the golden ring of Tot along with the wooden elemental ring, or you can wear the golden ring of Tot along with the rose ring. So those are the combinations that you can do, and of course you can just choose one to wear that. Cindy then asked, if someone is using the song to enliven a seed, such as their morning I am seeds and their daily seed, or a seed selected by moonwings, should that person use only the song, or should they also use the song with a ring, such as the golden ring of Tot? So we asked this question because you have to use the rings for the techniques that are related to those rings. If you want to use the elemental sequence, the technique of elemental sequence, then you need to use the wooden ring of elements. If you want to do the family line technique, the rose ring sequence, then you have to use the rose ring. And if you want to do the technique, the expedition to the source, the journey into creation, getting the benefit of the 72 transformations, then you have to use the golden ring of Tot with the song. But what about the other times that you use the song? Your morning, I am, your evening, reverse, mission, appellation, inception, the reflective seeds, your daily seed, and anytime you use the moonwings. Should you use a ring with the song for that? Or do you have to, or is it good to? And what Lantos said was, yes, a ring may be worn at any time with the song. So you don't have to use a ring when you are using the song just to enliven a seed, your inception seed, your appellation seed, your mission seed, the daily seed. You don't have to use a ring with the song, but you may. You may choose one of the rings to use with the song during those times as well. And he said, worn at any time with the song, but you can hold it in your hand as well. Cindy then asked, is the biotrinity considered a tool of initial rotations for being worn with the rings, or is the biotrinity simply to enhance the effect of another tool of initial rotations with the rings? You'll remember that in our last lecture, Lantos gave some instructions about wearing the rings, and he said that it's good to wear them with a tool of initial rotations. And he said the song of the spheres, the medallion, the pendant of eternal light. Then he said it would also be good to have the biotrinity present. And we didn't know if having the biotrinity present meant that that could be the tool of initial rotations, or if that would just assist and enhance the effectiveness. Here's his answer. We do not say that this precious tool generates a field of initial rotations. We may say that this precious tool perceives the dynamics of initial rotations. One who perceives knows. One who knows becomes. In the course of perceiving holy vision, the biotrinity is of supreme assistance. The presence of the biotrinity generates a sublime atmosphere for perception, the Phoenix Gate. This gate generates golden showers, which one passes through upon entering the realm, the pod of seeds. The 9 Phoenix Gate glorifies passage through all gates, leading to all seeds. So a beautiful answer. And what does that actually mean as regarding the biotrinity? It means you still, if you're going to have one of the rings with you, the golden ring of Thoth, the rose ring, the wooden ring of elements, then you should have your pendant of eternal light or your song or your medallion with you. But regardless of which tool of initial rotations you choose to have with you when you're wearing a ring, it is always going to be very beneficial to also have your personal biotrinity, the biotrinity of the personal pathway. So that is what that answer gives us. Okay, now last lecture I told you about the new biotrinity that we're going to be coming up with. It is a blue, pink, and yellow biotrinity, so similar to the Wheel of Hope. Many of you have called in. The cost on that, the price on that is $180, and during this initial period there will be a 20% discount on that. But there is one other thing that we just learned yesterday. Cindy asked these questions of Lantos and he gave the answers, but then Thoth came and he held up an assembly of the biotrinities for Cindy to see. And this assembly means that we're going to be producing a golden assembly that is like a circle that surrounds all 9 biotrinities. So that would be the 5 original colors of the biotrinities, along with the silver and the gold and the white biotrinities, and the newest, the blue, pink, and yellow biotrinity. So 9 biotrinities, all that will be in a very specific form. The golden one goes in the center, the blue, pink, and yellow one goes at the apex. It's going to be fairly large, probably about 6 inches in diameter, and it will surround all 9 biotrinities. It will hold the biotrinities in place so that you are able to pick up that item, that encasement. And so we're going to have that made. We're in talks with jewelers, and depending upon what the bids come in as, that'll tell us what the price is going to be. I can tell you right now what we're anticipating is that the price for that assembly, the metal item that will hold the biotrinities together, should be in the ballpark of $200 to $300. We don't yet know. As soon as we have a bid from a jeweler and we accept it and get them to start producing it, then we'll have an answer for you on that. So what does that mean? That means that there's clearly going to be some sort of technique that Thoth gives us. It could be in this process during this first quarter of this year, where he gives us instructions on the 9 gates every 9 days. That's probably what we're looking at. So there will be a reason to have all 9 biotrinities in this exact form, in this exact shape, in a way that you're able to hold them together in that form. But it doesn't mean, at least right now, what we're thinking with the jewelers is that we will not need you to have a second set of biotrinities. You should be able to use your biotrinities that you already have and place them into this container, this circular container that will hold them in place the way Thoth wants them to be done. And then when you're done with the technique, you can open it up and remove one or all of the biotrinities for your own purposes again. So that's what we assume. If you need any of the biotrinities, whether it's any of the original biotrinities, whether it's the silver one, the gold one, whether it's the white one, they're all at a 20% discount at this time. So again, we're doing this as we get ready to start this technique, as we get ready to start receiving the information from Master Teacher Thoth. We don't really know what to expect from it yet, but certainly based on what he has told Cindy, what Lantos has told Cindy as well, it should be a very interesting and very beneficial period of time during the next 3 months as we receive this knowledge from Thoth. Okay, Thank you for joining me today for our short lecture. Have a great next few days. I'll speak with you again on Wednesday.